Factorial program in JavaScript. Let us see the basic definition for the factorial of a number. Factorial of n is equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and so on n. Let us write a function that takes the n value as argument and returns its factorial. Upon seeing the formula, we need to understand that in order to find the factorial using JavaScript, we need to iterate from 1 to n. In JavaScript, we can use a for loop to iterate from 1 to n. For the time being, let us just print the number to the output. The factorial formula says that we need to multiply all these numbers. So we need to take a variable, say factorial, with an initial value of 1 to store the multiplication of these numbers. Now, instead of printing the number to output, let us multiply the number to the factorial. After the for loop, at the end of the function, return the resulting factorial. Call the function with a value passed as argument. Let us say 5. The factorial function says that 5 factorial is 120, which is correct, of course. You may try calling the function for some more numbers and validate the returned value. I know that you would be wondering if we have covered the scenario where 0 factorial is 1. As we have covered that scenario, the initial value of factorial variable is 1, and for n value of 0, the program control never enters the for loop and returns the original or initial value of the factorial, which is 1. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.